Okay, David Hall with the gold and silver coin report, and gold edging up. We have gold closing Friday at 1226.50, up slightly, and then we have silver at 1460. Silver very cheap. Actually, I think anything below 16 bucks is a steal on silver, and gold looking very strong now, especially what's happening in the world markets. I think the stock market is looking a little pricey. People are going to start to look at other financial alternatives, and gold should get a lot of attention. The past couple of years, a lot of buying out of China, Russia, and India, and that hasn't stopped. Those people are smart. They're buying gold. Maybe you should think about it too. I think 1226. Hey, it's hard to call the bottom, but it looks pretty bottomy to me. Our gold deal of the week is slightly circulated, extremely fine is what they're called in numismatics. $20 Liberties, 0.9675 ounces, almost an ounce of gold, and they're selling now at only 5.5% over their melt bullion value. As low as I've seen it in decades. This premium is incredible. Really limits your downside. It is our gold deal of the week, and if you want to buy gold, it's maybe the best buy in the gold market. The rare coin market looks good, a lot of good opportunities. Think about trophy assets, forever coins. Think about sets you want to build, call us up, there's some great opportunities. And also there's certain types of coins that are undervalued right now, entire series. And we'll be glad to talk to you about that if you give us a call. Now, you know, we have questions. You can find them on our website, and we'll talk about them here. And you can just email us at askdh@davidhall.com, and we'll look at all of your questions and hopefully answer the ones that we can. So this week's question of the week comes from a client. I'll just call him Phil, since that's his name. And he says, I've been collecting Carson City minted coins, both silver and gold, the past 3 years since being retired. I try to buy the best I can afford. That's good, as some can get very expensive. The history of this mint, along with the building of the West, has always intrigued me. Am I on the right track, or should I diversify into other type coins? Okay. Phil, you've picked a great coin to buy for a couple of reasons. First of all, the Carson City Mint has all the history and lore of the Comstock Lode and the building of the West, as you pointed out. And they're high demand items and always have been. If you look at ads in the numismatic publications 50 years ago, 75 years ago, Carson City coinage, extremely important. So you are on the right track. Should you diversify? If you want to. Here's the thing about coins. You should buy what you like. Now, buying Carson City, you don't want to get too esoteric, and you aren't with Carson City. That's pretty mainstream, and you have picked a great area, so I applaud you for that. There's one other little minor detail. If you think about government confiscation of coins, last time in 1933, collector coins were exempt, and certainly if you had, let's say, a $20 gold piece that was from the Carson City Mint, and some of them, by the way, in circulated grades sell for very low premiums to melt. It's a good way to buy gold with an anti-confiscation hedge also. So I like the idea of Carson City coins, both gold and silver. You're on the right track. If you too are intrigued with the Carson City coins, then think about it. Give us a call. We'll tell you all about it, gold or silver. And it's one more way, which Phil is doing what we always advise you to do, and that's to have fun with your coins. And by all means, at today's prices, buy gold.